How economic news affects forex markets. The forex market is highly sensitive to economic news, which can cause rapid and significant fluctuations in currency prices. Economic news reflects the real-time health of a country's economy and has immediate implications for currency valuations. Traders worldwide monitor economic indicators and announcements to anticipate market reactions and adapt their trading strategies accordingly. Now, why does economic news matter in Forex? Economic news influences forex markets by providing insights into a country's financial health, monetary policy, inflation, employment, and trade balance. Positive news generally strengthens a currency by boosting investor confidence, while negative news tends to weaken it. Because Forex operates 24 hours during weekdays, market reactions to news can be swift and volatile, offering both opportunities and risks. Here are some key economic indicators impacting Forex markets. Number one is interest rate decisions. Central banks like the Federal Reserve or ECB announce changes in interest rates to control inflation and growth. A rate hike usually attracts foreign capital, leading to currency appreciation. Conversely, a rate cut often weakens the currency. Another key economic indicator impacting forex markets is employment data. Reports such as the US non-farm payrolls reveal labor market strength. Strong employment figures indicate economic growth and often support currency appreciation, while weaker numbers can depress investor confidence. Number three is inflation rates. Inflation shows the rate of price increases in an economy. Central banks may adjust interest rates in response. High inflation might prompt rate hikes, strengthening the currency. But excessive inflation can erode purchasing power, weakening the currency. Another kind of economic news is gross domestic product (GDP). GDP measures the total economic output of a country. A growing GDP signals a healthy economy, often leading to currency strength, while contraction can cause depreciation. Another type of economic news to watch out for is trade balance. The difference between exports and imports affects currency demand. A trade surplus supports currency strength, while a deficit can weaken it. Another one is consumer and business confidence. Indices such as Consumer Confidence Index and Purchasing Managers Index gauge economic sentiment. Strong confidence encourages spending and investment supporting the currency. Now, how do traders use economic news? Preparation. Traders use economic calendars to track upcoming reports and plan trades around expected volatility. Then reaction. Market prices often react instantly when data deviates from expectations, creating trading opportunities. Then confirmation. Combining fundamental news with technical analysis helps confirm valid trade signals. Then it also helps in risk management. Sudden news driven volatility requires tight risk controls like stops and proper position sizing. Now, market sentiment and economic news. Economic news shapes market sentiment, the collective mood and expectations of traders. Positive announcements can trigger enthusiasm and buying, while negative news can cause panic selling. Sometimes sentiment-driven moves temporarily override fundamentals, creating short-term price hikes. Example: If the US releases better than expected employment data, the USD often appreciates against other currencies because investors perceive a stronger economy and expect possible interest rate hikes. In conclusion, economic news is a powerful driver of forex markets movements. Understanding the key economic indicators and their implications helps traders anticipate currency price hikes, policy price changes, and trade more effectively. Staying informed and using economic data alongside technical tools is essential for navigating the fast-paced, news-sensitive forex market. In summary, it is the news that move the market. In a day where there's no major news, the market does not go anywhere. It is this economic news, economic data, and political events that shake the news. So fundamental analysis is what actually moves the forex market. You are on to Dr. Olubengade's YouTube channel. If you have gained value from this video, please subscribe, like, and share, and keep coming back for more. I am on a 60-day stretch training you and telling you all about Forex for both beginners and for old timers. I'm going to see you in the next one. Until then, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one you need to watch now. Please go ahead and watch it. See you in the next one. Bye for now.